In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks on QuickBooks with routing and account number, how to print checks on QuickBooks. With routing and account number, we'll walk through confirming your bank account, creating the check, preparing the print workflow, aligning your template, and printing on real check stock. A quick note up front, your routing and account numbers typically come pre-printed on your business check stock. QuickBooks fills in details like payee, date, amount, and category, while the MICR line with the routing and account number is already on the paper. So make sure you're using compatible pre-printed checks for the account you intend to pay from. First, confirm the bank account you'll use. Open Settings, then choose Chart of Accounts. Look for the bank account that matches the physical check stock you have on hand. If it isn't there, add a new account and set the type to bank so payments post correctly. Matching the QuickBooks bank account to the check stock ensures the check prints with the correct bank mapping and prevents posting to the wrong ledger. Next, create the check. Select the plus new button and choose check. Pick the correct bank account at the top so the payment draws from the right place. Enter the payee's name, the payment date, the category or expense account you want to charge, and the amount. Take a moment to double check spelling, coding, and the date to avoid reprints. When everything looks good, click Save and Print to move into the printing flow. Now set up printing. From the plus new menu, go to Print Checks under Vendors. You'll see a list of checks that are ready to print. Select the ones you want, then choose Preview and Print. This preview helps confirm layout and content before you touch your real check paper. Before using actual checks, align the template. Print a sample on plain paper. Hold that sheet over a real check to compare the placement of payee, date, amount, and address. If anything is off, adjust the alignment settings and save them. For best accuracy, ensure your printer dialog is set to actual size or 100% with no scaling or fit to page and consistent paper size. Finally, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer. Follow your printer's guidance on whether checks face up or face down and which edge feeds first. When you're confident about the orientation, click Print. If you're unsure, start with a single check to verify alignment, then proceed with the rest. That's it. You've confirmed the right bank, created the check, previewed, aligned, and printed. So your checks now reflect the correct routing and account information on your pre-printed stock.